Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT image generation not working. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you do have VPNs active, go ahead and turn it off for now. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and go to OpenAI status or status.openai.com. All right, again, status.openai.com. Now, look on the far right. Okay. These real-time update right here. If it's all green, well, you're good to go. If it got yellow or red, well, that means you will be able to generate some image, okay? So it says here we are fully operational. Well, you should be good to go. But if it says we're fully operational right here, but you still can't generate some image, well, gotta go back. Go to library right here at the left panel. Now, under images, maybe it got or it already did generate the image. You just don't see it in the chat, but it will be right here. Go ahead and check it out. All right. And sometimes ChatGPT successfully generates the image behind the scenes, but a local browser glitch prevents it from loading visually inside your chat. Okay. So what if that still won't work? You don't have the image right here. So the next thing that you need to do is just go ahead over to your profile. Now click on settings. Now go ahead over to personalization. Now in here, scroll down, okay, find memory. We have enable memory right here. Disable this first. Wait a bit, re-enable it. All right. And then once that's done, lastly here, close this one. Go ahead over to the sliders right here besides ChatGPT. Click on cookies and site data. Manage on-device site data. Delete chatgpt.com right here. Or if you have OpenAI, delete it as well. Click on done, and then reload the page. And then just go ahead and log in with your account if asked. Okay, and once done, create a new chat, generate an image. For example, like that. Click on send prompt. Wait a bit. And once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. Upload the files if asked. Wait a bit. And once that's done, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to fix ChatGPT image generation not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.